This is Monuments and Memorials with information gathered from Toward a Geography of Memory, Geographical Dimensions of Public Memory and Commemoration by Foote and Azariah. At the most general level, memory pertains to the actualization of the past in some form of contemporary experience. This could be anything ranging from a war memorial to a movie based on past events. Here is a good example. This statue was put up to commemorate the event it portrays. However, any man-made object's design is subject to the designer's bias and does not always represent the event accurately, which is something we should always keep in mind when viewing any landscape. Commemorations of events, people, and places are fundamental elements of most traditions of public memory. Commemorations and how it is done is extremely important in keeping the event in the public memory. Events like wars and people like MLK Jr., who make a huge impact on society, are traditionally commemorated. The names of public areas and streets and the like can be used to represent something that has cultural significance. Here we see the renaming of 3 parks, all having original names in honor of the old Confederacy or for Confederate figures. This signifies a change in how popular culture views such issues. Here we can see another example of renaming due to popular culture change. Dixie is reminiscent of the old Confederacy, and once the public's opinions of the old Confederacy change, it became unwise for business to keep a name that might keep customers from partaking in their business. Grave sites are a type of memory space and create a symbolic encounter between the living and the dead. In the case of these images, while they are most likely not a grave site, they represent where someone died. These type of memorials next to roads represent someone who was hit by a car or who died because they had a car accident there. They are used to warn drivers, be careful, slow down. The grave sites of soldiers also hold a cultural significance. National cemeteries are state shrines that belong to the national narrative of history. The individuals buried then are seen as heroes, such as national leaders and fallen soldiers. Society uses public spaces to convey messages to the public. They put up monuments, cemeteries, name buildings after historical events or significant individuals. We can see it all around us if we really look.